Oh, look, a little cat. Say hello, little cat. There you go. It's day 7, by the way. And it's cloudy. It has rained, just like spots. Oh, look, there's another cat. Ooh, shaky hand. But like 3 big spots and then it stopped. But it's quite windy. Anyway, what do you do in a situation like that? Well, I went onto eBay. They really did a good job yesterday. Ordered a terabyte hard drive, backing up purposes. What's the point of having all this video? Don't want to get run over by the Canon Business Centre. They spent cents along. Anyway, I'm going this way because I want to smell the hedge again. Yeah, terabyte hard drive for backing up purposes. If you're going to have lots of video, you need to keep it safe. And a 2 gig SODIMM for the little netbook. I really need a faster processor now. I need a whole new, but I'm not, because it's the way forward. I'm going to smell the hedge again. You can see it is a bit windy. In fact, it's very windy. It smells lovely, actually. Right, I'm not going to do all the way down to the paper shop thing, because I've already done that. Ooh, look at that yacht. Actually, there's quite a lot in, so we might have a look what's in the harbour. You can just about see over there. That's someone's private yacht. A couple of bobs worth in there for a start. So they should. There's a lot of palm trees down here. They could do with a bit of tree surgery. Those boys yesterday, they knew what they were doing. Yeah, there we go. Oh gosh, there's quite a few private yachts. I'm not sure if this belongs to anyone. I'm going to jump on it and gotta watch out. I think this is one way. Well, I hope this one way. I think it's down, so I'll be hit from the back if it is the case. That is it's a huge yacht. Let's zoom in a bit. Wow. And there's the cathedral in the distance. And over there, that just looks like a ferry. Yeah, and that's the road there on the way to the paper shop. Zoom back out. There's the cathedral. You can see how grey it is. It's windy, but it's not cold. Anyway, that's day 7 morning.